Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is the latest video of Mars. Survey captured by Mars. Perseverance rover. With right must CamZ camera on Sol 299 of its mission. Mars is the fourth planet of our solar system. And once Mars was filled with water and life. But now Mars is called desert planet filled with rocks. Mars has been a target for future human exploration colonization organizations like NASA and private companies like SpaceX have proposed a ambitious plan for crewed mission to Mars in the coming decades. On Mars Real Pictures video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.